Hmm. Just went out for smokes. Hmm. Came back. Meanwhile, whatever happened, happened. And it was straight. What? The Beduk chap who bought car from the stolen bank money. The stolen money. Fraud. I am not able to speak properly. The car is bought from the stolen money from the fake bank account. Okay. So yesterday, one car got caught in toll. So next time when you follow me, uh, lose the comfort zone. And I'm getting kissed by men wearing woman costume. What difference does it make? Because when we were children, many, of course, we all get kissed by our elders. But yesterday it was something else. Isn't it? You got kissed by a man. I got kissed by a man wearing a woman costume. I said before, वो मर्द है, वो औरत के कपड़े पहन के वो आदमी है, वो दोज आर नॉट दी ट्रांस. एक जन ने कन्फेशन भी किया दैट वो आदमी है. समझे? But yesterday वो God miracle I saw. It was God. I believe it was God. Mute fellow, he cannot speak. So, how does it feel when you get kissed by men? Men getting kissed by men wearing a woman costume by quite funny. But when I went to brothel, there must be a same replica T-shirt, fucking a prostitute, and meanwhile, and nudes were getting made, and meanwhile I was out. The entire world was watching me. I didn't fuck in brothels because brothels are very hard to discover that clone is not mine. It will be very hard to prove. Never fuck in brothels. But the one who fucked, I put him right there with the nudes, and meanwhile I was out. I was just out. I didn't fuck anyone. It was damn important to put them in the brothel. Anyways, an ID theft is already caught. I suspect my ex from Dubai now. Yesterday, a very wonderful old chap, Swami, not that old, but he knows me from years. Uh, he asked me, "What do you want? What do you want exactly?" I said, "I want to be myself," and they desperately want that I shouldn't be myself. Why? Just leave me alone. He got my answer very right. He said, "Don't lose your faith in God." And I said, I don't feel, live, what do you call it? God won't do anything if you don't believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself, then God helps you. I believed yesterday that I was going to make them catch, I was going to get them caught. And I did that. In every fucking angle, every fucking way. Till the Swami who lied that he doesn't live in Ragvilas, he lives in Kharadi. No, he lives in Ragvilas. He lied. And because he was filming me. And people over there, the who knew me, they were Like Keshav Baba, so few of them I met. Ragvilas, one or two I met. Lalit's mother, I was drunk. Didn't enter the temple, but I called her mother out, called his mother out, Lalit's mother. Lalit is dead. I touched her feet and I went away. I always do that because she lost a son and he was my friend. Lalit was a good chap. He helped me a lot. I touched her feet, then she said, eat something. No, no, auntie, I just. So they are spreading my nudes and they want to defame me, and over that they made nudes using wearing my t-shirt, and they want to say that's me, and ID card says that's not me. People want to say, and they want to say the nudes are made of mine, and I'm not from the ID, but the nudes are made from the guy of the ID, the guy in the ID. So what sense does it make? They are getting fumbled. What do you call it? Jumbled into that thing. Uh, So ID fraud will be right there in Osho Ashram. As I suspect, from the beginning of the scam, I saw that Swami who lied to me. He lives in Ragvilas, not in Karadi. They thought they'll what do you call it, get into my league and they'll find my league. Did they get? They got. By doing what? Fraud. And where are they landing? Where are they landing? News is out there. And yesterday I met my auntie as well. My auntie from Pune, Yerwada. I touched her feet and I went away. Met lot of friends over there. Not lot, few friends over there. चलो बादशाह आ गया. चलो बादशाह इस बार आज पूरा दिन मेरे को क्राइम ढूंढने गए, तो आज थोड़ा बिजी है मैं. बादशाह इधर आके अपन पीने बैठेंगे. बोले एकदम बोला मैंने बोला 1000 बार कि मैं जो पकड़ रहा हूँ वो आसान चीज़ नहीं है एक लड़के के लिए. What do I have? They had so many stuff. Road surveillance yesterday till their market, everything they had yesterday. What did I had? I had only myself. तो स्वामी को भी मैंने यही बोला कि हम चाहते हैं कि हम हमारे साथ ही रहे. हमको क्या बोलते हैं, हम जैसे जीते हम वैसे जीते. तुम्हारी कोई पाबंदी नहीं चाहिए हमारी ज़िंदगी में. और मतलब किसी की. वो स्वामी बहुत अच्छा है बेचारा, विकास नाम है उसका. मैं उनको बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ. बंसी हरियाणी की डेथ हो गई मालूम पड़ा हमको. मेरे को मालूम नहीं था. बंसी जी की डेथ हो गई. हाँ तो ललित बंसी हरियाणी. अरे तो ललित तो बहुत पहले तो जो आपने चाहिए थे. चाहिए मतलब वेल विशर्स. दे वर माई वेल विशर्स इन माई लाइफ. बंसी हरियाणी जी, ललित एक उसका एक शॉप है. उसने मेरे को क्या बोला था उनका, तेरे पैसा नहीं रहेगा ना तो इधर 2 लाख का उधर ही कर, बिंदास खा पी. लेकिन 2 लाख के ज़्यादा नहीं. बहुत लाड़ प्यार से रखा था मुझे वहाँ पे. मैं भूलेगा नहीं कभी उसको. इसलिए कभी भी जाता तो उसकी माँ के पैर छू के आता हूँ कभी भी। हमारे बारे में कुछ भी नंगे वीडियो अफवाह कुछ भी फैलाए उससे हमको ये नहीं, हम हमारा क्या बोलते हैं, हमको कैसे जीना है हम जानते हैं। तो जो अच्छे उनके साथ में अच्छा है, जो बुरे हैं वो पकड़े गए कल वाशी में। वाशी का टोल वो क्रॉस नहीं कर पाया, भीड़ में फंस गया। नेक्स्ट टाइम लूज द कंफर्ट जोन। I guess there will be no next time. You're caught. ID theft till everything.